I'm standing in front of a barricade that's been erected to make sure that people does not enter a containment zone just behind me. It's called Atukal, which is one among the 8 containment zones that's been declared in Trivandrum district. Now remember, there are 84 positive cases in Trivandrum, after which there is huge concern and there is a challenge in front of the health authorities as far as the Trivandrum district is concerned, because there are 16 cases where the source of infection is yet to be ascertained, and that is going to be a huge challenge as far as the health officials in Trivandrum are concerned. You can see there are barricades over here, and from this particular place there is no vehicular movement that's been allowed. Be it two-wheeler, be it four-wheeler, be it heavy vehicles, they are not allowed to enter this area, and hence this particular barricade has been kept. And now I'm standing in the heart of the city, just next to the railway station. This is a place where there is to be a large number of vehicular movement. The government has made it very, very clear that in containment zones, only the emergency purposes, people will be allowed to enter or go, move outside from the containment zones. And that is made very, very strict. As of now in the state, there are 112 containment, hotspots, and there are a number of containment zones in each district. In each district, it is the district officials which decide which are the containment zones. Depends on the number of cases, especially people who are coming from other states and other countries, especially foreign countries, Gulf returnees. These are the people who have been tested positive. If you look at more than 70% of the cases reported in Kerala as of now are people who have come from abroad, and that is going to be a huge concern, because there are 5 lakh people who have registered in the NORCA website, and of which 1.5 lakh people have already returned to the state. The rest are yet to come. As far as Trivandrum is concerned, since there are a number of cases where the source of infection is yet to be ascertained, it is going to be a huge concern, because these are people who are health workers, auto rickshaw drivers, and also people who travel a lot, and hence it is a huge challenge for the government officials, especially for the health officials, to backtrack these sources. Who are the people who they are associated with, interacted with? All those people need to be identified and sent to quarantine. Now, as of now, in Kerala, as of now, there are 1,846 cases, positive cases, who are under treatment. And as far as the whole state is concerned, nearly 1,64,000 people are under observation, and some of them are also in hospitals. Now, as far as the quarantine rules are concerned, the government has made it very, very clear for all those people who are coming from abroad, that for those who have facilities like where they have an attached bathroom, separate room, and also someone to help them, they can go for home quarantine. And for people who cannot afford such facilities, they can opt for institutional quarantine. Now that is the rule exactly as far as Kerala is concerned. As day passes, more and more positive cases have been reported in the last 8 days. Each day there has been more than 100 cases of COVID positive cases that's been reported in the state, and this is a huge concern, and hence the government is making sure that all steps are being taken to ensure that people are people undergo strict quarantine, and they do not roam outside and interact. And hence the state health department is making sure that the health officials, the police, the revenue department, all working in tandem to ensure that the protocols, the safety protocols are being maintained in the state. In Trivandrum, this is Vivek for Times Digital.